How to set data usage start billing cycle on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. After that, go down. Then tap on data usage. Then we go down and tap on mobile data usage. Next, tap on the settings icon right at the top corner here. Then tap on start billing cycle on. And from the list here, so we scroll down the list and select a day. So here, let's say my billing cycle start on the 20th of each month. So I'll select number 20, then tap on set, and that's it. So it will start the billing cycle on the 20th day of each month. This setting is very important because that will help us to monitor our mobile data usage. And so you can see here, it will start from the 20th February to March 19th, and it will show us how much data is being used. And that's it. So by the end of the month, you know that if you have reached the quota limit given by your provider or not. And so this will help you monitor your mobile data usage. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.